Hey guys, today I have made Indian style chowmin. So let's see the recipe. So in a pan, I have added oil and some chopped garlics. Then I have sauteed it. Oh my god, the aroma is so good. Then afterwards I have added capsicum chopped. The aroma of capsicum and chopped garlic always mesmerizing. I love. Then I have added onions. Mix them well. Make sure to add the garlic first only, not afterwards. Otherwise, it will leave a very foul smell. Then I have added previously fried carrots and beans. Mix them well. The aroma of these fried vegetables are very good. Then I have added salt. Mixing them. Then I've added a teaspoon of green chili sauce. Then I've added a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix them well. The aroma is really mesmerizing, and I hope the taste will also be very good. Then I've added a teaspoon of tomato ketchup to give it a sweet taste. Then I have added the previously boiled noodles. Oh my god, it has stuck. Fine, let me clear it. Then I added a teaspoon of pepper. Now it's ready. Enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.